Okay, I'd like to zip through these notes one more time just because my audio was garbled on the original. So just quickly, I introduce absolute convergence. Give an example here of something that is absolutely convergent. Okay, I check the corresponding series of absolute values, and I get a familiar p-series, which is convergent. So the original is absolutely convergent. So this guy is absolutely convergent because this guy ended up being convergent. Okay, now I want to establish that if something is absolutely convergent, then therefore it is also convergent. So I start by assuming that I have an absolutely convergent series. And I do a technical trick here to prove eventually down here that this series is also convergent. Okay, so from the assumption that it's absolutely convergent, I'm able to prove that it's convergent. Okay, so therefore, in general, absolute convergent implies convergence. And the technical trick, there's not really much to add there. Okay, now we look at something that is not absolutely convergent. Okay, a quick application of the alternating series test convinces me that this is convergent. But if I look at the series of absolute values, I get something that's divergent. Okay, so what does this tell me? It tells me that convergence does not imply absolute convergence. Okay, so we have a category of convergence series that are not absolutely convergent. Okay, and we give these a special name. We call them conditionally convergent. Okay, so again, these are series that are convergent themselves, but they're not absolutely convergent. I'll give you a diagram here to show you how things break down. Okay, so every series falls into one of three categories. Every series is either divergent, conditionally convergent, or absolutely convergent. Okay, it's got to fall into one of those categories. I do it again down here. I give you another way of visualizing this. The three categories are down here. Okay, every series is divergent, conditionally convergent, or absolutely convergent. Okay, another way to let's say another way, but a less refined categorization is just to break it up into two pieces where you have every series is either convergent or divergent. Okay, but typically what we're going to do is we're going to take the category of convergent series and break it up into these two pieces.